Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the free WordPress theme and import demo data. So in order for you to do, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and access your WordPress website. And you want to go to the left side here and you want to tap on the appearance and you want to go to the themes. And now under the themes, what we need to do is just go and click on the add new theme at the very top. So here and in here, what we need to do is we want to go and look for the Astra option. Here, so just let's go and click on it and tap on the install. Now this is actually installed. So we're just gonna wait, and then once installed, we need to do the next is we need to activate this. So in this case, let's just wait for it to load up or just finish installing. And as you can see right now, let's go and click on activate, and it should now be activated. So from here, it's going to give you the option here, pop up here that says, let's start with, and again, let's get started with starter templates. So let's go ahead and click on it to open up a new tab here. Now from here, it should redirect you to this page here. So you could go and use the AU website builder here, but you could choose from the classic starter templates. So just let's click on the build with templates, and now you could go and choose page builder here, either block editor or Elementor. So here, let's go and choose the Elementor here as an example, and let's just wait for it. Now from here, you should be able to see different templates that you could use. So now there are going to be different categories here, like for business, local businesses, personal care, professionals, personal sites, community, e-commerce, and even blog. Now, I would suggest you to first determine what your website is going to be about. So if it's about local businesses or about personal care, you may want to choose the appropriate category for it. So for example, maybe I want to create let's just say a professional website, like maybe I want to create something for web designer. So let's go and choose this one. Now, there are going to be different templates that you could choose from. So obviously, you could go and just search for it, whatever you want. So just choose here or use here. So as an example, maybe I want to use a specific template. So here, maybe this one. So let's click on it. And now from here, you could go ahead and just choose the font pair as well as the color. And if you want to change that, maybe I want to use this one. So let's go ahead and click on it on continue. And from here, it's going to ask to select features. Now you have the page builder here design with the visual website builder automatically added into that. So we also have website emails and SMPT, get emails from your website. We have contact forms, so you can just whatever do your feature that you want here. But for now, we're good with this one. So let's go and click on continue. And from here, it's going to ask you about some information about yourself, like your name, your email, what your preference, or in this case, what is your category? Are you a beginner? Are you an intermediate or an expert? So let's go and answer those questions. And now let's go. And it's going to start building your website here. So it's going to start installing plugins theme and forums. So let's just wait for it to load up. And now it's actually built. You can go and just click on the view your website here. Let's go and click on it, and it should open up a new tab here which in this case, you should be able to see your website. So this might take a while to load up. So let's just wait for it. And you can see right now, this is your web page or shop or the WordPress website. So in this case, you can go back into a previous phase here, which in this case, you can go and click on the visit dashboard here to visit your dashboard of your website or site. As you can see, in this case, you want to visit or want to view it again, you can go ahead and go to the Astra here, and you can I mean, change a few things. Like, for example, you can start customizing it, or you want to use the elite identity here, or the footer builder. You have buttons right here, topography, or since you can go and click on start customizing. And here you should have the option to change few things. Like, for example, if you go to global, now you have the option to change that typography, like the colors you wanted. You also have the containers here. So if you want to change the containers button, you just have to scroll up to the top. By the way, if you're going to change global here, this will affect all the boxes or whatever elements it is under the specific category. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.